Durable and long-lasting license frame measures a standard 6 by 12.25 inches. Acrylic inserts are laser cut with team name and logos and hand-assembled. 2 pre-drilled holes allows for easy mounting, fits most license plates. Made of metal in sleek black color, proves to be resistant to the elements. Imported and finished in the USA. Trust. It's not a word used lightly these days. Over the last 75 years, Rico Industries has earned an unparalleled reputation for trust and integrity among its customers. Our standard chrome license plate frame makes a big impact with its sharp contrast against vivid team nameplate and color team logos. Fits all standard license plates, measure 6 by 12.25. Pre-drilled holes make this piece easy to hang to your vehicle and is sure to add some more excitement to your drive. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. The very few complaining customers on here, I feel, are just trying to get something for free. These plates are great. They have some weight to them. They are perfect.